I was kind of nervous about just, jumping into like new training with what I assumed was going to be a lot more, experienced owners and salesmen, because I've only been in the industry, for a little over a year. And so I was super nervous about that because I felt like I was jumping out of my league. And so that's kind of where my nerves were at the time, was just like, I'm about to jump in the ring with Ali and, get my butt whooped. How it actually went down was surprising because like we had, I think 10 or 12 guys in the house at the time, and the dynamic instantly that we're all like here for a common cause, and we're all on different levels. I didn't, no one was, too cocky and thinking they're, the best. And so you had guys on the side, even outside of class time and whatever, telling you like, hey, you're doing great, or do this, maybe change this up a little bit. It was definitely like more of a team building in a sense, and guys you just met, in a day ago. So Matt, definitely into like a lot of the role play stuff where we're doing this stuff live action before we actually have to do it and present it in the field. And so you get all the nervousness and the butterflies out of the way in a controlled environment with people on your same level. And he was really good about correcting it as you went. It wasn't like he wouldn't let you derail completely. It'd be like, all right, hold up, let's do this, let's shift this, let's say this, or, adjust as needed. And then we kind of did a round robin of making calls in the room. And since he knew I was nervous, he put me at the last place. So of course, anxiety, tilted up as it went around. But once I've heard everybody and even make the corrections on the fly, there were people that kind of derailed in the conversation, but they were able to recorrect it and they still got the appointment. You'd see people jump up because there's an agent calling and they're like, okay, and then, or either Matt would make you answer it in front of everybody. And, but it just showed, like, even on the, the voicemail callback in front of everybody, you already knew what to do. And so it really helped. Me and the guys have talked about it before. I think everyone should do it because at the end of the day, it's going to be who's hungry for it. You have to apply what you learn. If you don't apply it, you're not going to get the results. And so I think everyone should do it. I don't even see my number in this list. Let's see.
Oh wait, maybe that's the
Really?
No.
Yeah, I hope you got that on camera. I see what you did.
You're like, really?
I see what you did. Trolling me all week about an Android. Now you're gonna take one last stab.
I think